I bought this Galanz Retro Microwave because I wanted something that worked really well and added a pop of style to my kitchen. The retro red design caught my eye right away, and the size is perfect for my countertop without taking up too much space. Some of the best features I like are the auto cook and reheat settings, the quick start option, and how easy it is to clean inside. The pull handle feels solid, and the controls are simple. The glass turntable heats food evenly. I also like that it has a defrost mode that actually works properly. The candy apple red is also one of my most favorite feature. It really catches the eye of anyone coming into my home. Overall, I'd rate this a strong 5 out of 5. It looks really great, works reliably, and adds a fun retro vibe to the kitchen while still being super practical. Highly recommended.